Filing your income tax return or ITR is not just a good practice, but in many cases it's mandatory. Let's explore when you need to file your ITR. Number one, income above exemption limit. If your gross total income exceeds the basic exception limit, you must file an ITR. For individuals, this limit is rupees 2.5 lakh under the old tax regime and rupees 3 lakh under the new regime. Number two, multiple sources of income. Do you have more than one source of income like rental income, capital gains, or interest from fixed deposits? If your total income from all these sources exceeds the exemption limit, then you must file an ITR. Number three, foreign assets or income. If you own a foreign asset or earning foreign income, then you are required to file an ITR regardless of your income level to disclose these assets and income. Number four, capital gains or asset sales. Sold a property or made a significant investment. If you have a capital gain from the sales of assets like property or stocks, you must file an ITR, even if your total income is below the exemption limit. Number five, high value transactions. If you have deposited more than 1 crore in your bank account, spent over rupees 2 lakhs in foreign travel, or paid more than rupees 1 lakh on electricity bill, you must file an ITR. Number six, business or professional income. Running a business or profession, if your gross receipts or turnover exceeds rupees 1 crore for business or rupees 50 lakh for profession, filing an ITR is mandatory. Filing your ITR on time ensures compliance with tax laws and helps you avoid penalties. Stay informed and file your ITR when required. Reach out kanakpillai.com for all your tax needs.